Defining industrial security, the first line of defense. Industrial security isn't just about guards and gates. It's a complex system. It protects a company's assets, people, and information. Think of it as a shield. This shield guards against threats both seen and unseen. It's not just about keeping bad guys out, it's about keeping the good stuff in. Without it, businesses are sitting ducks. Imagine a bank with no locks, or a tech company with no passwords. That's what a business without industrial security looks like. It's vulnerable, it's exposed. But industrial security isn't just about protection, it's about peace of mind. It lets employees focus on their work. It tells customers their data is safe. In short, it's the foundation of trust in business. Industrial security is the silent guardian of the business world. From locks to firewalls. The evolution of industrial security. Industrial security has come a long way. It started simple. Think night watchmen and guard dogs. This was back in the Industrial Revolution. Factories needed protection. Their machines and products were valuable, so they hired guards, they built fences. It was basic, but it worked. As time went on, things got more complex. The 20th century brought new challenges. World wars raised concerns about sabotage. The Cold War brought fears of espionage. Companies had to up their game. They installed alarms. They used security cameras. They created badges and access controls. Security became a science. Then came the digital age. Suddenly, threats weren't just physical. They were virtual too. Hackers could steal data without ever setting foot in a building. Today, industrial security is high-tech. It uses artificial intelligence and biometrics to protect against threats from all angles. Security is everyone's business, roles and responsibilities. In industrial security, everyone plays a part. It's not just the job of security guards, it's a team effort. Let's start with security personnel. They're the front line. They patrol, they monitor, they respond to alarms. They're trained to spot trouble before it happens, but they can't do it alone. Management has a crucial role too. They set the tone. They create security policies. They allocate resources. They decide what to protect and how. Good managers know that security isn't a cost, it's an investment. Employees are the unsung heroes of industrial security. They're the eyes and ears on the ground. They know their areas best. They can spot when something's not right, but they need training. Good security culture empowers every employee to be a guardian. Industrial security is truly everyone's business. Recognizing the enemy physical and cyber threats. Industrial security faces two main types of threats, physical and cyber. Physical threats are the ones we can see. They're tangible. Think break-ins, theft, vandalism. These are the classic security concerns. They're still very real. A determined intruder can cause huge damage. They can steal products. They can destroy equipment. They can harm people. But cyber threats are just as dangerous, maybe more so. They're invisible. They're silent. They can strike from anywhere in the world. Hackers can steal data. They can disrupt operations. They can hold systems for ransom. Some threats blur the line between physical and cyber. Social engineering is a good example. It's when attackers use psychological manipulation to gain access. Industrial espionage is another hybrid threat. Competitors might try to steal trade secrets. Recognizing these threats is the first step in stopping them. Fortifying the fortress preventive measures. Prevention is key in industrial security. It's always better to stop a threat before it happens. For physical security, this means layers. Start with the perimeter. Fences, gates, and guards are your first line of defense. Then add access controls. Use key cards or biometrics. Limit who can go where. Install cameras and alarms. Make sure every area is watched. Cyber prevention is just as important. Start with strong passwords. Use multi-factor authentication. Keep software updated. These are your digital locks. Then add firewalls and antivirus software. These are your digital alarms. Encrypt sensitive data. Back up everything. And don't forget about employee training. Human error is still the biggest vulnerability. Develop clear security policies. Conduct regular security audits. By staying vigilant and proactive, you can keep your industrial fortress strong. United we stand, the power of collaborative security. Industrial security isn't a solo sport, it's a team game, and the team is bigger than you might think. It starts within your organization. Every department needs to work together, HR, IT, operations, even finance. They all have a role to play, they all have insights to share. When everyone collaborates, security gets stronger. But collaboration goes beyond your walls. Industry partnerships are crucial. Share information with other companies in your sector. Join security associations, attend conferences. The more you network, the more you learn. You'll hear about new threats, you'll discover new solutions, you'll be part of a larger security community. Don't forget about law enforcement. Build relationships with local police, with federal agencies. They have resources you don't. They have information you need. United, we stand stronger against any threat.